How to download and install TunnelBear VPN on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you download the TunnelBear VPN application on your device. So as you can see, I've already installed the application. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the TunnelBear VPN's home page. So here you have to create an account, or you can log in with an existing account. Since I do not have an account, so I'm going to tap on create an account. So here you can just create the email over here, and you can also create a password. Now create a free account over here. Now you can verify your email over here. So just wait for a while until you get the verification email. Well, you can also go to the Gmail application directly, and here you can see the TunnelBear verification email over here. So your email has been verified. You just need to go back to TunnelBear. Now it's already been verified. So now you can use the TunnelBear VPN on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.